Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install JupyterLab on Windows using Python. To install JupyterLab, we first need to download Python. For this, go to a browser and type Python and press enter. Click on the first link, python.org. This opens the official Python page. So here, hover the mouse on download. So this will display the latest Python version available. So if you click on this, it will download the Python.exe. So click on this, click on save. So the exe download has started. So the exe file is around 29 MB and the download is complete now. Click on the folders icon. This opens the exe in File Explorer. Now we need to install Python. So for this, double click on the exe. On the setup wizard, check the box, add python.exe to path. This will add Python to path and click install now. So now Python installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the Python installation is complete now. Click on close. Once we are done with the installation, we need to verify if Python installation was successful. To do this, we need to go to command prompt. So press Windows R and type cmd and press enter. This opens up the command prompt. Here we need to type the command Python space -- version and press enter. So this will display Python with the version. Next, we need to check for the Python launcher. So type py space -- version and press enter. So this will display Python again with the version. So this is for checking if Python launcher installation was successful. So when we install Python, the Python launcher gets installed automatically, as well as pip also gets installed automatically, which is the Python package manager. So let's also check for pip. So type pip space -- version and press enter. So this displays pip along with the version. So this confirms that Python has been installed successfully. Next, we need to upgrade pip. For this, type the command Python space -m space pip space install space -- upgrade space pip and press enter. So this command will upgrade pip if pip is not updated. Okay, so here pip is already up to date, so it has not upgraded it. Now we need to install JupyterLab. So type the command pip space install space JupyterLab and press enter. So this will install JupyterLab. Okay, so JupyterLab is successfully installed. You can see here JupyterLab successfully installed present. So this confirms that JupyterLab is installed successfully. Next, we need to launch JupyterLab. For this, type the command Jupyter space lab and press enter. This command will automatically launch JupyterLab. So here you can see that JupyterLab is launched successfully on the default browser. So these are the steps we need to follow to install JupyterLab on Windows using Python. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.